Yo, you guys hear me? All right. Let's get this going, baby. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Let me get the... All right. Let's see what we can get. I'm not expecting too much just because today's been mostly shit. As you can see, there was a lot of good setups this morning. Probably one or two A+ setups. And ever since we had that kind of slap down here to take out data low, we've just been chopping. So this is kind of not looking for anything crazy. I'm going to see if we can get a scalp, though. I'll go for it. Right now, we're in an interesting area. We've tapped back into OTE of the range. So right now we're floating around OTE. We've tapped into the 4-hour imbalance I talked about last night. We're in that now. So there's a lot of good things here. Oops. There's a lot of decent things here to look at for PD arrays, but we just need to look for, or we just need to see that setup actually appear. So let's go ahead. Okay, we like that. So we're in OT of the range. We've tapped into sell side imbalance. So this is an area in which we can look for setups. Zooming in here. I do like how we've slipped this recent low. This is almost setting up for a long right here. It's just it's not enough for me. It's too small. 2 minutes, not bad. There's nothing to write home about, that's for sure. Let's see if there's any SMT here. Not seeing any SMT. But I do like this region on the chart. All right, we'll keep tabs on this for now. Can pull this in here. All right. It's the waiting game. There's 30 minutes left. We should see something in the next 20 minutes, but you never know just because that macro is kicking in. The fuck? Oh. Man, I had no caffeine today. I'm struggling. Alright, where's the chat? Where's the chat? Who's in chat? Chat, what's good? What's good? Yo, smash that like, baby. Come on now. Easy money, easy. Alright, got the chat pulled up. Donnie, Richard, what up, brother? That was a dump. Yeah, I know, dude. That was a really nice play. I'm going to walk through this probably tonight with the team. But yeah, we had this data candle form here from NFP, and simply we swept it, took buy side up here, swept it, consolidated, and then displaced further down to go take data lows. So that's a nice setup. There was a scalp here that I took today. It was only for like 20 points, but hey, so a little 20-point scalp there. This, I marked it, but I didn't take it. I think I did take it, but it was break even. Yeah, I think I took this trade too. That was break even. And then, oh, this one's looking better. I think I'm just going to slap this. I like the way it's looking. Let me see how this, I want to see this 1 minute close. Yeah. I'll take this if we get a good 1 minute close. It's decent. It's a B. It's a B setup, B plus. Just want to see a good close. That's not the close I want. Yeah, that's not what I was looking for. But we're trading in the discount of the range. We're in a higher time frame PD array. PA was all sorts of goon like, bro. PA was straight fucking ass, bro. Ace. That's why I was glad I was done early. Fortunately, I actually went long on NFP. I caught most of that move, like 50 points of it. I copy traded it, and then I actually did not take this. Surprisingly, I actually fucked that up, but I was good pretty much after NFP, so I didn't really need much more. And then I took these just for practice, but I took them on funded, so they were legit. And then this feels kind of, this isn't light bulb necessarily, but it's not a horrible look. I just want to see a little bit more energetic price. It'd be even better if we close through this right here. That'd make me feel a little bit better if we can get that there. We are holding this fair value gap though like a fucking G right now, which isn't bad. I suppose we could slap this and then I can get out quick if I'm wrong. For what, 7 points? It's about $200 loss. Probably be realistically out about there. I'll probably just go one con on this because it's not high probability. I want to see. We technically got a confirmed close on the 1 minute. Let's see, 230. Tell me why paper trading is so different. You want to know why it's different? It's just the psyche, for sure. That's the biggest difference. It's the psychology. When you paper trade, it's just you're a lot looser with it. So you're gonna find yourself when you're paper trading, you're probably gonna trade very well because there's nothing on the line. So if you can somehow kind of get numb to the money a little bit, I know it's hard because we're human, but over time when you kind of get a little more numb to the money, then hopefully it starts feeling like paper trading. I might just take this. We're just holding this so well. I'm going to go ahead and get in on this. All right, just one con here. Nothing crazy, guys. This is on a funded account. I'll show you the P&L there if you want it. I usually don't show my P&L for psych reasons, but we got to put on a show today, baby. So this looks like a very obvious price target to me. These equal highs. I will probably move my stops to break even here. So if you're in this with me and you're in it for more than one contract, I would trim here and or move to break even. Okay. I'm probably going to go for the bigger move here because of where we're at on the chart. So I don't know. I would say the way price has been trading, you should be probably getting out here. But because I'm a fucking savage, I'm holding this and we'll see if we get something. Took my trade and called it a day. Yeah, dude, today was really good. I passed a couple evals. I made some money on my PAs. So here we go. We're tapping equal highs. I'm gonna move stops to probably. I might move stops to break even if we get through this. Equal highs were tapped, like I told you, no problem. It's the same as having a lot of money. It doesn't matter. Yeah, you say that, but I'm telling you. Paper trading is, I don't know. I've always been kind of mixed about the concept of paper trading because I think if you're like really fucking new to trading, like yes, you should do it. But the only problem I have with paper trading as a principle is that you're not getting the psych reps. You're not getting the psych reps. I'm telling you, psychology is why a lot of people struggle, dude. It's one of the main reasons. There's guys in our group. There's a handful of guys. I mean, it took them a long time to get over the hump because of their psychology. Like they would be calling out bangers every day, but not taking the trade, or they got out early and they didn't trust their process. Like right here, I'm trusting my process. Only reason why I'm still fucking in this is honestly because I'm on YouTube. If I was trading this personally, I probably would have just taken the bag. That's $300. Like, you know, $300. But paper trading just doesn't. It's just not the same, bro. It's just not. It just doesn't do its justice. You need the psych reps. You need to feel the pain so you can get numb to it. This imbalance, if we close through this imbalance here, like I mentioned a second ago, then we are likely going to go run up here and take this internal high. So that is my ultimate price target here. Just really need to see if we respect this imbalance. So right now we're tapped into it. We have the macro in 15 minutes, which is still kind of a bit of ways. So let's just hang tight a little bit here. Again, going for this external high here. Ultimately, if this trade fails, it fails. No biggie. I don't want to move stops to break even yet because I don't want us to come back and tap this. This is extremely strong. You can see how well price respected it. So we'll give it a little bit. We should hold this. If we don't hold this, then then this trade just isn't going to go all the way up there without something more. So you can see we're respecting this imbalance for a moment. Bitch. I'm actually going to watch out for this. These are equal lows. I can see price going for that. So ideally, I want to see us hold this price leg here. Looks like we're tapping back in the discount. Well, at least you got to see, you know, how well the precision works here on this entry, right? We went straight up to equal highs, like I said we would. At the very least, I like to go. I'm going for more than 12 points though, but you know, whatever. This is Sparta. Bro, how are we going to flip right here, bro? So this signature right here is not ideal. But whatever. All right. No, something, I mean, this is a little more advanced, but something you can look for. Let's say for some reason we like V-shape this right now, that I'm going to add probably. I would slap that because if we inverse this BPR right here, which is just two fair value gaps layered, if we inverse that, that is a very bullish signature in price, especially after we've tapped into this. So we've hit these equal lows now. So now I want to see how we hold here. If not, we'll take a small loss, and that's okay. It's part of trading. And this is part of why you also, like, to me, I feel like I'm kind of paper trade. I'm not sweating this. It's a loss, whatever. If this was your real money, you'd probably be, I guess it depends on the person. You'd probably be sweating a little bit. There is SMT here, which is great. There's a little baby SMT. Yeah, I'm really curious to see if we can inverse this BPR here. A lot of fucking blue boxes on this chart, bro. I'm getting dizzy. Usually my charts aren't this messy. Well, I guess we don't really need this box in here. This is the 4-hour fair value gap. We don't really need that anymore. Okay, so we are inversing this BPR. So this is a good long if we close through this. This is a really good long. I'll probably add on this. Let me just see if we get it. Ooh-wee. I'm going to wait for confirmation. I would like us to close through that low. on this top candle. That'd be ideal. This is very bullish. Come on, baby. Come on. Give me a better close. Close was mid. We did close to the BPR, though, which is really good. Yeah, this looks like go mode, man. That's a pretty good move. I'm not going to add, though. I'm not going to let my emotions kick in. I had to. I would have added if we closed right there. That's what I needed. I needed to close right there. The BPR close is still valid, and it's actually a really good close, V-shaped recovery. I just wanted to see a little more sauce. I wanted us to get a close through this entire fair value gap layered into that BPR. That would have been a little bit more conviction for me. This is now a protected low, by the way, so if we break this low, then this price action's fucked up. I'll just tell you that. So that's a protected low now, so we can move our stops to that. Like I said, if we reverse this, I mean, that's just a red flag. I mean, especially since we just had a V shape right here. But yeah, this looks pretty solid. Oh shit! What did I do? There we go. Yeah, this is pretty much the signature I wanted to see. What you guys think of that golf swing, huh? Did you check out my story? I think I'm going to go swing some more after this. Bye. Take that out. So we got equal lows down here. Something to note, but I really want to see us. So the macro's coming up. I really want to see us just pop up to this high up here. Being that it's the end of the day, we may take what we can get. I might go here if I'm feeling like I don't know. If I'm feeling like weak hands, I'll probably go here, honestly. It just depends on how I see price move. Assuming we get the move, I really need to see us get through this fucking fair value gap here. It's holding like a damn G right now. We got a failure swing already. A mini baby one. All right, I'm going to get some water. I'll be right back. Again, nothing crazy here. Trading one size. I'm not going. I mean, I've already made my money today. This is literally like for entertainment. It's literally for you guys. I'm good. But this is something I would probably take. It's been doing what I wanted it to do so far. Just need to kind of get out of this here. I'm hoping the macro kind of kicks things in. Now let's say you want to trade this, you're not in with me, and let's say it's a perfect world. If we close through this box right here, this orange box, if we get a nice close through that, that's an entry as well, okay? The risk to reward is not going to be as good, but it's valid. All right, that's what I like to see, little action here. Okay, we're getting broke this high here, getting through the fair value gap finally. No. What is that? No. I gotta check something quick. I gotta make sure this isn't reversing. Let me see if there's SMT. There is SMT at that high. Gross. We may go stops to break even here because this might be souping. That is not a good move. Yeah, I think it's sweeping right now. It might be sweeping these highs. That pin bar is not it. That's okay. We didn't lose any money. That's what trading's all about. Trading's about either, not losing money or making money. It's not about losing money. Don't lose your money, bro. Like, I promise you, I'm good if we get stopped out here. I'll just fucking just get back in if there's another good setup. And if there's not a good setup, then I didn't lose any money. And it's a good day. I think it's whatever, dude. This fucking BPR, I had to get the fuck out of my face. Nasty. Ugly ass chart. Alright. Yeah, that's not ideal. There's a fucking SMT here. Son of a bitch. Let me see. Oh no, it's just a baby one right here actually. That's a little bit better. If it was from these highs, it gives a little more sauce. All right. This thing's my linchpin right now. Pretty much at the bottom of this. So you'd have to bounce here or I'm going to get stopped. Let me check the chat. Pop is in, bro. I got a Zen in, bro. You want to see it? What's good, bro? I've been on that Zen game, son. Let's see if that lighting helps. There we go. All right. We got the macro in 2 minutes. I kind of want to ride the macro out. I don't want to get stopped, man. Come on, macro. Come on, do it. Do it. If the macro is good enough, we're going to blow over this. Or the macro is going to completely stop me out. It's one or the other. But it should be a good move. It usually happens right on the dot. Yeah, I might hold through this, dude. Fuck it, dude. If I lose $100, it's whatever, dude. I think it'll be worth it if it does pan out. Because I'm either going to lose about $100 or I'm going to make 800. So we will roll with that. Macro is in 1:13. If we get this high and we invalidate this SMT, that is a very good sign. It will probably give us the go-ahead to fucking clear out of this fair value gap that's holding us down as well. All right, macro's in a minute. Yeah. Stocks. This price action is fucking ass, man. This is so like, I call it hairball price action. It's a fucking hairball right now. It's just everywhere. A ball of fucking hair. All right, so we got that macro in 20 seconds. This macro candle is pretty nice. Sometimes it pops. I've seen it pop quite a bit. Doesn't mean we're going to get a giant glizzy, but it's usually a pretty active candle. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Fuck yeah. Come to daddy. All right. Let's see if we can at least get to this external high here. That's a very fucking good move. Like I said, I'm going to go here. I'm just impatient, honestly. And, if I miss another 4 points, I'm chilling, bro. You can move stops to break even here. I'm just not physically doing it so I can show the P&L. But if this reverses, I'm getting out. I mean, this should go. broke the fucking high. We broke the fair value gap. I mean, this is a lot of good stuff to talk about. Do need to get a confirmed close, which we will have in 3, 2, 1. Fantastic candle right there. We should go higher now. Let me see what that level is on micros. Yeah. Yeah, this should go higher. If it doesn't, then something's wrong. Yes, sir. This looks really good. Really, really, really good. All right. No, we're going for the fucking moon right now, bro. We're on YouTube right now. We're live right now, baby. Let's get the full fucking PT like we said we were, bitch. Give me that BSL. Give me that fucking bag. Give me that 800, son. Give me that shit. I want $800. That's like 2 PS5s. That's a Fuji Auto. That's a Fuji Auto rim. I think. I don't know about cars. I just know Fuji Auto. Is it Fuji Auto? I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Papa's in, right? I'm still dealing with psychology. Yeah, bro. Psychology. Just take it, like, just keep challenging yourself each and every week, right? Try to hold your trades to full TP. Do the things that ease your mind, right? Move stops to break even. That's what's been a big game changer for me the last couple months is I've just been moving my stops to break even because, like, yeah, it sucks, especially if you get stopped out and the trade ends up working. But you got to remember, like, you didn't lose any money. So it really helps you stay in a trade, hold the TP, take profit. It works out well. You can be a paper guy, but once the real money comes in, whole different ball game, bro. There's no such thing as a paper guy, bro. That's half of the fucking internet is paper guys, bro. Like, there's so many motherfuckers out there I can tell are cap, dude. It's crazy, dude. I'm doing this live right now. I'm explaining in real time why price is doing what it's doing, and I'm calling in real time what price is. Like, I'm telling you, like, if it does this, we should do that. Like, that is experience, bro. Like, these motherfuckers on here just slapping paper trades. We hit a support level. I'm going to go long. Get the fuck out of here, dude. That shit is so fucking – this shit is so cap. So we did take this high here, which we originally had our order at, but I do want to go for this external here. If we took this, we should take this. I'm just an impatient person sometimes. I don't really like right now. Now I have to wait a little bit longer because we got this fucking. We're reacting right now to this high. All right, bro. Well, hindsight, I would not have felt like I paper handed it if I got out there. Oh my gosh, you gotta be fucking shitting me, bro. What the fuck, man? Oh, trading. This is why it sucks to have one contract, because if I had more than one contract, like this is not good trading with one contract trading is just not good trading. Like, you can't manage the trade, bro. If I took this with more than one con, dude, I would be in so much profit right now. I would have trimmed here and I would have trimmed here. Now I wouldn't even worry about this move. Now I'm about to give back all my fucking shit, bro. But at least you guys got to see that I'm not cap. You saw how I called out price. I'm not making this shit up. I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Sometimes, you know, you get snubbed, but I don't care. I'm not going to lose money. And if it somehow flips in the next couple minutes, then I hit my PT. I use Trade-Evate. And then I'm funded through Top Step. So that's what I use. But yeah, any futures prop firm that I work with, I make sure that I sign up with Trade-Evate, because Trade-Evate you can link with TradingView, and then you can just trade directly on TradingView. Now, I will tell you that the fills are not going to be as good as trading on Trade-Evate, because Trade-Evate's like instant fucking fills. It's so clean. But on here, on here it's a little delayed, but it's just nicer. And you know, TradingView is pretty much king anyways. Everybody pretty much uses TradingView for charting, so I think it's beautiful how you can now trade on there as well. If you're already charting on the shit, like I used to trade on Thinkorswim, but I would chart on TradingView, so it was just a bitch. Have you tried any instant funding prop accounts? No, I haven't even heard of that. Instant funding? What the fuck is that? You just pay for the funded account straight up, and they don't do an evaluation? Man, I wish I did not have one con on this bitch now. Fuck me, dude. Still could have squeezed out, you know, $500. But it's all good. It's not a big deal. It's not the most optimal time of the day to be trading either, so you take what you can get, you know. But hopefully, I mean, at the very least, at least y'all got to see me trade, kind of see how my mind works. Get a little taste of that. Not every trade's a winner. If you think every trade's a winner, then you are in the wrong space, and you have been delusional and hypnotized by all these fucking gurus on the internet. Oh, I make money every day. It's not like it's not possible though, but you know, realistically, this is trading, right? It's managing, it's surviving, it's doing the things I'm doing here, right? Set my stops to break even, right? Knowing where to target, right? Knowing when to set my stops to break even. Knowing where to target. MFF has it for like $400 with a 3K target and a 20% consistency rule. So if you pay $400 and hit your 3K target, you get funded basically. That sounds like a ripoff, because I mean it's already fucking pretty much any prop firm. It's like $200 to fund an account. So how the fuck is that? Sounds like it's twice as much, and then it's got extra shit on it. It's got the 20% consistency rule. I have to look at that. I know MFF is popular, so there must be something to it. Trading the PA gives you hairs on your chest. Shit, this month has been amazing at 11K. Yes, sir. We have a member in our group, Alex / the silver Evo X. He's up 10K this month, and we're a week into the month. Wait, this month you're up 10K? Did I read that right? Oh, okay. Damn, that's beast, bro. I'll tell you what, PA has definitely been shaping up. I was worried a little bit, like the first like couple weeks of the year. I was like, oh my goodness gracious, bro, that PA was so fucking trash, dude. I was like, dude, I don't know if I'm gonna get it set up for like weeks. It's so fucking, it's just so bad, dude. You got 6K the last week of January, dude. That's awesome, man. I'm so glad to see you finally have your breakthrough, bro. It's so pleasing. I remember you always had like some of the most potential in our group, dude. You'd always be calling out bangers, but you wouldn't be trading them. And I was like, this motherfucker, it's got to be the psychology. It's something, dude, because he's right there. So I'm glad I'm glad you're finally doing it, bro. It's big. That's good, man. It feels good. It feels really good, and and it makes you more hungry. It makes you like get back into trading, kind of, because it's hard not to be discouraged when you keep losing or some shit. If that's what you were doing or whatever, it's hard to not be discouraged. But when you start getting consistent, then it like makes you want to get back after it again. Like you just started, you're studying again, you're journaling more, like it gives you that little hump you need. So that's really good to see, bro. All right, this looks like this looks retarded. We have an hour left? Okay, I guess the stream's going past closing bell because I want this fucking long here. So it's you versus me right now. We're either gonna get this or we're gonna break even. We're gonna break even. I make $0. I'm chilling, or we're gonna make 800. Lost the fear of trading. That was holding me back big time. Yeah. Yeah. What's helped me is like just little things. Candlestick colors. That's something I did years ago. I've changed my P&L to ticks. That's got that from before. I kind of like doing that. Micros was a big game changer for me because like I think like when I first got in the future, some of my fear was the drawdown. That's all it was. And so it was fucking bullshit because you would still be fine in A+ setups and you would trade them well, but then you blow your account before the move happens. It's just fucking retarded. And so that's why I went to micros. Micros are nice, man. If you're copy trading micros, all you need is fucking 4 cons, bro. You need 4 con micros, and if you copy trade that, bro, I mean you can still make 1 or 2 bands a day, like pretty carefree, assuming that your trade performs. I mean, because you don't need too much to do that. I think people get so wrapped around the axle on trading minis, and then they blow a lot of accounts. How's your week been, guys? You guys have a good week of trading? Did you guys trade NFP at all? I love getting big fucking news because like it's like an instant eval pass, or it's I've made big money on my funded. I trade funded accounts on news candles. I don't give a fuck if that's on Top Step at least. This shit's gonna take a minute. I mean, if we get this, if this does hit our price target, it's gonna take a minute. Just because it's the time of the day, dude. This shit's gonna be so fucking slow. There's no earnings either. No big tech earnings. So we're not gonna see a pop or nothing. Hit the snooze button, bro. Where the fuck are we at? All right. Yeah, so however this trade goes, I don't give a fuck. What I would do if you guys are new to watching me, hit that subscribe, baby. And hit that like, guys. Do me a quick favor, man. Hit the like button. I've been here entertaining your ass. I've been here not making money. Hit the fucking like button. Do me a solid, okay? Now, getting back to my point. However this trade goes, if you really want to learn something today, go back and rewatch this, okay? Go back and rewatch this. Watch my thought process through this entire trade. And I called out nearly everything, and I explained why. I explained, hey, if we do this, we should do that. Hey, if we see this, that's a nice entry, or we should go here, or all that shit. Watch that and see if you learn a thing or two. And then if you have questions, you can just ping me in Discord. If you're not in my Discord, it's free. Link is down below in the description. And I do recommend you join. We give out free watch lists every day for crypto and stocks. So, I mean, that's a lot of value for free. I used to charge for it, but I'm just like, yeah, fuck it. I'll give it to people. Yo. So we've pulled back to equilibrium of this leg. And so far it has rejected it. That's, you know, and I'm going to tell you something too from experience. If we're displacing higher like this, if we look like this, dude, 9 times out of 10, we're gonna go attack that high. It's if we fall short of the external and we just tap into an internal this close to external, it's usually a red flag. It's just not good price action. This right here should go 9 times out of 10, but sometimes it'd be like that. But if you know that, then you can understand and you can mitigate risk, right? If you know, like, hey, we should have done that, and you have that kind of confidence and it doesn't happen, then that can help you as a trader. And then you can be like, okay, well, shit, since this is acting goofy now, you know, I can move my stops to break even. How the fuck are we still in this thing, bro? I almost want to get stopped out on purpose. Move the stop higher? Never, bro. I don't want to get stopped. I don't want to get stopped out if it ends up going, dude. Because we should have fucking went up here. It's pretty much my crutch is going to be these lows right here. So yeah, I might as well just fucking. I'm not going to move my stop for $100, bro. Like, I'm trying to get that change, boy. That cha-chain, boy. That 800. All right. Be right back. I'm going to give this like 5 more minutes, guys. If we don't get through this fucking high in the next 5 minutes, I'm closing the trade. I'm closing the trade. I'm not going to sit through this bullshit for an hour, bro. How did Bitcoin do today? Oh, it pulled back. Okay. Man, crypto looks cheap, man. If I wasn't heavy in the crypto already, I'd be loading up right now. I'm just saying. All right, Price, you got 4 minutes. All right, chat, how we doing, chat? Hit that like. Fuck, I might just get out here if we actually end up going. Yeah. How many points is that? That's $400. Yeah, if we take this high, a little $400 trade, we'll take that. This is so not my speed. This is not my speed at all. This is so fucking. Oh, Lord. Well, hopefully you guys made some money. I mean, anybody who took that trade with me should have made money. The only reason why I didn't make money is because I took one fucking con. Like a fucking goon. All right, guys, here's your chance. Since I'm just sitting here watching paint dry, do you have any questions about anything? Anything. I pull up any chart. Let me know. Any ICT concept questions? Let me know, doggy. I'm going right here. Oops. I'm going right here. There you go, Darius. We're going to make money. Excuse me. Darius, this $80 is for you, brother. Drinks on you, bro, tonight. What gives more draw to liquidity? SSL, BSL, or relative equal highs? That's a really good question. I would say relative equal highs and relative equal lows. Yeah, for sure. It's just such a strong liquidity pool. You got to think, relative equal highs and relative equal lows, they are SSLs and BSLs, but they're like stacked because it's like combined SSLs, combined BSLs, right? This right here is a combined BSL. 1, 2. That's 2 BSL levels combined. So I guess that's one way you can kind of think about it. But I just know from back testing and experience, I could tell you without a doubt, relative equal highs and relative equal lows are very strong. I've been preaching this in my private Discord for over a year now. They're like magnets. You just have to trust me on that. I mean, you guys saw it. You see the proof right here. I showed it in real time. I called it out in real time. That has forever been my favorite price target. I mean, for a long time now. And then BSL, and like I said, BSL and SSLs, they're very strong too, but I use them more as like reference points, and then also just depends. Like if price is moving with momentum and we're displacing higher towards a BSL, that's such a strong draw. Or if price is selling off and we're displacing lower towards an SSL, that's going to be a strong draw, right? Like if we're looking like this right here, that I know this SSL is a very strong draw, okay? You just have to be a little bit careful because on the higher time frame, we are trading ultimately in a discount. So your odds are lower, but this is going to be a strong draw if we're getting that close to it. So that's where BSLs and SSLs I like a little bit more, I would say, is when you're closer to those DOLs. They work better. With equal highs and equal lows, you don't necessarily have to be that close. And as long as you start seeing price changes delivery, or you see it delivering off of something heading towards, or if you have like equal highs and equal lows on the way, that's to me, that's automatic. Those hit so nice. There you go, Darius. $80, bro. Drinks on me, bro. I got you. Because of the amount of ticks on those draws. Oh, yeah, draws, and like we're drawing towards it. That's what a draw is. Like it's drawing you in. It's a draw. That's just a fancy word for. There's a bunch of words you can use instead of draw, but that's just the term I use. But yeah, SSLs and BSLs, I'd focus on more when you're closer to them, and then equal highs and equal lows, I would just always keep tabs on them. If they're in your vicinity, because like I said, they're just a really good price target. You'll see them a lot more internally, I would say. Equal highs and equal lows, they're more internal levels, and BSLs and SSLs are external levels. Okay, so that's probably where you'll see these more, and that's why I like them more personally, because we don't always go to the external high clearly, right? This is pretty much a failure swing. We had that high there, and then we had this lower high. So instead of going higher, we decided that we're going to go lower now, which is why I got stopped out. Does that make sense? Where we meet. You want to come down here? You want to come down to the south, baby? It's fucking nice and warm. It's actually cold today, but it's been nice as fuck. It's been like 70 every day. It's so good. That's the shit I'm talking about, bro. 70 degrees in February is crazy. Not like where I'm from, bro. I'm from Minnesota, dude. Like this we got ice storms today or some bullshit. All right. Well, there you have it, guys. Live trading in action. You know, it didn't work the way that we wanted to, but that's okay. That's okay. I think this was a good lesson. It was a good. It wasn't a loss, so I guess it was a good win. It just wasn't as good as it could have been, and that's because of sizing issues. But other than that, the price reads were on point. We did fall short of the external, but that's about it. Other than that, price pretty much did its thing. So I'm pleased with that. I'm going to do one last roll call here. See if there's any questions. The stream is delayed, so I'll give you about 2 minutes to type in your final questions now. I need to get this fucking office going, guys. You guys got any ideas? That is not marijuana. Guys, check out this giant marijuana plant. Look at, can't wait to harvest that. It's a monster back there. That's 3 pounds right there, bro. I'll probably hang up that metal thing, and then I'll get some lights back there. I need to get some like wall panels or something too. You thought I was in Cali? No. I'll go live Sunday night. Yeah, we'll be back on Sunday night on YouTube. I think I'm going to go live on YouTube every Sunday night so I can get you guys ready for the market in the week ahead. I can let you guys know what news is coming, any earnings. I'll put you guys on. $80 always something. Where you moved? I'm in the South, bro. I will give you a hint. Roll Tide, baby. I'm not far south enough. I'm trying to get to Florida. We'll probably look at Florida in the next year or two. But I like this part of the country a lot. It's nice. I'm from the Midwest, and then I moved to the South, and ever since then I didn't want to go back. So it's great. You were in Nash not that long ago. Yeah, I go to Nash a lot. I'll probably go there pretty soon. I think I'm going there in 2 weeks. But yeah, if anybody here is ever in Nashville, you can always just ping me. It's an easy drive. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to wrap up the stream. Y'all have a fantastic weekend. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and tail out of here. You guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Study up, stay sharp, stay fresh, and I'll see you Sunday night.